Today I'm going to be installing an inexpensive tonneau cover on my Chevrolet Silverado. Purchased it off of Amazon and it was $198, so fairly inexpensive. I just had my bed liner put in, so just want to have a tonneau cover to get a little better gas mileage. It's packaged pretty well. There was a hole in the box, which you'll see, but it didn't damage it. It comes with all the essentials you need in the box. This is some weather stripping for the tailgate. I didn't use it. Decent instructions. Tells you what you need to do. Not bad. It's a fairly light unit. You can do the install by yourself. So I just picked it up, put it on top. And then made sure that my back line against the cab was straight and giving a good seal. Now these arms right here can be adjusted inward, outward, depending on how wide your bed is. Mine seem to be fine with the middle section. They are at a bit of an angle, but the ones that were too far in, it was too far in. Everything's strapped down pretty good, and you come to your center section where you have quick clicks, so you can open it up really fast. You just twist them down and adjust them and lock them. And roll it out to the end, and here we go. Oop! And here we come into a problem. So the clip won't lock on there, and you need to use these brackets, which I didn't really want to have to drill into my bed, but you know, what are you going to do? So they came with machine screws, and it went right in, self-tappers. And it worked pretty good. They tell you to cut the plastic away. I didn't do that. The screws were long enough to hold it nice and tight. And you adjust it down, and it seals really well. And here you go with a completed installation. And your straps just hang down. I mean, you could strap them off if you have to, but I think it'll be fine. It locks down pretty neat. So there it is on the truck. It looks pretty good, I think. We'll see how well it works. Like I said, I wasn't really worried about sealing it off really good. I just wanted it for wind reduction. There she is, the Mostplus quad fold installed. Quality's pretty good. It's a super easy installation. You will have no problems installing it.